In the heart of the Pacific Northwest, ancient rock formations are exposed in rugged mountains and rocky gorges. Hell's Canyon, North America's deepest river canyon, offers an extraordinary passage through the geologic past. On the border of Oregon and Idaho, the Snake River cuts through 8,000 feet of rocks that are as old as 350 million years. The older rock formations in Hell's Canyon and in the rugged terrain surrounding it are very unusual in their geologic makeup. Scientists discovered that these rocks formed in a totally different environment than today's. In fact, they were not part of the continent when they formed. These formations are exotic to North America. Geologists call them exotic terrains. This canyon region was very unique geologically. It is located in some of the most rugged terrain in the Pacific Northwest. This area includes Hell's Canyon and the Seven Devils and Wallowa mountain ranges. It is known as the Wallowa terrain.
We're sitting on the sides of an ancient volcano that at one time was underwater, maybe as much as a mile underwater, and under ocean water.
The Wallowa terrain contains large formations of these odd-looking rocks. They are called pillow lavas, and they only form where volcanic lava flows into water. Pillow lavas are forming today around many volcanic islands, including Hawaii. The pillow lavas in the Wallowa terrain also formed in the ocean over 200 million years ago. Today, these rocks are found in the Seven Devils Mountains near Hell's Canyon, over 9,000 feet above sea level. The Pacific Ocean is 350 miles away. Somehow these rocks were moved far away from their original location under the ocean. George Stanley is a paleontologist. He studies fossils and life forms that lived in ancient oceans. Stanley is very interested in an unusual rock formation in Hell's Canyon, which can only be reached by hiking a steep bridge far above the Snake River.
There may be a fossil there. Hang on to that one. Here's another one. I'm sitting right here on the Martin Bridge limestone, and beds just like this one have yielded hundreds of fossils. Literally thousands of fossils have come out of this bed. Brachiopods, corals, snails, clams, a whole variety of fossils have been found right in these beds, and it's what paleontologists would call a gold mine.
Limestone is a kind of rock that forms in the ocean. It consists of the skeletons of sea animals and plants. George Stanley has collected thousands of fossils from the Martin Bridge limestone. He takes them back to his lab in Montana, where they undergo months of careful study.
So be all prepared for the right strength. This is about 7% or so.
In the lab, the limestone is treated with hydrochloric acid. This dissolves the weak rock and leaves fossils intact. With this technique, intricate details are enhanced for study. The ages of the fossils are determined, as well as the environment where they lived. It was soon discovered that some of the fossils from Hell's Canyon were part of an ancient tropical coral reef. This startling discovery added another twist to the geologic story of Hell's Canyon. Coral reefs only grow near the equator in warm ocean water. Yet here were parts of a fossil reef over 3,000 miles north of the equator and thousands of feet above sea level. Stanley's work confirmed that the ancient rocks of Hell's Canyon formed in the ocean, and they could have formed thousands of miles away in a tropical setting that bears no resemblance to Hell's Canyon today.